you how to create a free FamilySearch account. There is a Help Center article on this that I can post in the link, but I'm going to show you on this video. So go ahead and type in FamilySearch.org. After you do that, this screen should pop up and click Create Account. You can create an account with Facebook, Google, Apple, or your church account. If you're a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, then it'll already have your church record number so that you don't need to go find that. But if you're signing up for a youth, I do suggest going ahead and just filling it out the old-fashioned way. So you're just going to fill out the credentials as seen here. Type in your first name, your last name, your birthday, your username that you want, silly thing, 1, 2, 3, I don't know, whatever you want. Create a password. Choose a strong password, at least 8 characters, including spaces. Oh, you can include spaces. And then provide an email so you can recover your username and password. After that, you can click if you want them to send you messages. Probably not. But maybe, because then you can see whenever other people have done stuff on your thing. If you're a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, you will want to click this button. You're going to type in your credentials again, your month of your birthday, and then your church record number. So where you can find your church record number, you can click here to read more. So what you can do is you can go to the churchofjesuschrist.org or in the app Member Tools. If you go to your Members Tool app on your phone, you're going to open the app, you're going to click your household, and then like your last name, and then you're going to click the person that you're wanting to make this account for. You're going to then click Membership Information, and there you will find their record number. You can also do that same process on the church's website, but instead you'll go to Ward Directory, and then you'll click your household, the person you're wanting, click Membership Information, and it'll show you the membership number. You can talk to your ward clerk. You can, again, your ward clerk. And also for older people who have a temple recommend that are 12 and older, your record number is on your temple recommend. So let's go back there. That's where those are the places you'll find it, and then you'll type it in right there. You'll agree to it, click done. After you click done, after you click done, so it's kind of what that page looks like. It'll send you straight into your FamilySearch account. It'll have some things for you to do to get familiar with the page and help you know a little bit about the website itself to get you started, and to some things to do to really get your family tree up and running. You'll find all those things kind of on this side, and I highly suggest you do them and get started building your family tree. I do want you to know that your family tree, I'm going to click Overview, your family tree, you won't be able to, I'm going to click Tree, not Overview. Your family tree won't be able to really fill out if people before you have done the work until you reach someone who has passed away. So for me, my parents are still living, so whenever I typed in them, I didn't get all this extra information. But then whenever I first did this, my grandparents were still living, so then I had to type in their parents before finally everything started blossoming, and I could see all the work that the people who had been living had already done for them. So I highly suggest keep filling it out until you reach someone who has passed away, and then it should fill out, and if it hasn't, then you have a good amount of work to start working on. So I hope you enjoy FamilySearch, and that's how you make an account.